Hey guys, Jesse here, and today I'm going to be unboxing some coilovers for my future coupe build. Similar to the one in the background here, but not quite there yet, so make sure you subscribe to follow along for the build. Before assuming the obvious, Fortune Autos, yes, they did start life as Fortune Auto coilovers. But now they have been taken apart and put back together in a custom manner by Cygnus Performance. So Jeff at Cygnus had walked me through the process, what I was trying to achieve with my car and what my goals were with the car so that we got me a perfect setup for what I'm trying to do. The reason I landed on these coilovers was last year we did a coupe build. The owner of that car ended up using Cygnus Performance coilovers, and the ride on that car was incredible. And after that, I just thought to myself, I have to have these. I have tried dozens of different coilovers, like you name it, I've had them. I have a dozen Subarus of my own, so I've got a good volume of assorted coilovers in them. And I have never felt anything ride as good as the Cygnus Performance coilovers. So let's start out by seeing what's in the box. So right off the hop here, we have our build sheet on them. So there it has the spring rates we landed on. Again, we've got the tools back there and a Cygnus Performance sticker. And here we have a sweet t-shirt, super bonus. And even a sweet little hat. By the way, guys, this is not any sort of paid promotion. This is just something I figure is worth sharing with you guys. If you want the best out of your suspension, this will be the way to go. Jeff also offers free shipping to Canada, which is a bonus because these are not light and the box is not small. So here we go with our first piece. Let's open her up and have a look. Looks like we have a rear here. Here we are. So I'm a bit of a goth, so I tried to get them as black as I could, but boy, do they look sharp actually with the navy blue Swift spring in there. That is really cool. Really nice collars on them. You can actually lock them in there with an Allen. They are adjustable dampening. Nice black sleeve there. All right, let's try and get ourselves out a front coilover here. So here we have a front, and just as beautiful as the rear. Depending on your build, he can set you up with 5x114 front sleeves or 5x100 front sleeves, even though you have a GC8. Yeah, I can't get over how awesome these look, all black with the navy spring. That is really nice. And like the detail on them is incredible, super cool. So what's different about these and a Fortune Auto itself? These are made in the USA and they feature a European style digressive valving which gives you stiff, low speed dampening force for minimal body roll and the best possible handling, with tapering high speed dampening force which keeps things comfortable and composed. Essentially you get the best of both comfort and performance, and they do a better job of anything else within this price range. Part is you can pick the colors top to bottom. I am a fan of everything black and he definitely nailed the goal. Some of the notable features or options with the springs, you can opt for the springs that originally come with the Fortune Autos themselves, or you can step it up to the Swift springs, selecting your spring rate as well, or the Hyperco springs. So the gentleman whose coupe I did last year, he opted for the Hyperco. He also got the adjustable rear top hats. I, however, did not need them, so I just went with the standard ones back there. However, the dampening obviously is adjustable on both front and rear with these. So the reason you would want to upgrade your springs, so over the basic Fortune Auto springs, moving up to the Swift springs, you will get a much more accurate spring rate and less distortion overall. This is going to help with consistency on the track and quite a lot with the ride quality as well. These springs will also avoid sagging or settling. And overall, I mean, you only really want to do this right, so at least going to the Swift springs at minimum is going to keep your suspension really consistent for years to come. So overall, guys, I am very pumped to get into my personal coupe project and get these in there. This gentleman behind the coilovers here is actually due for some suspension himself, so that was my #1 recommendation. I hope he takes it so he can enjoy them as much as I did in the car I previously put them in, along with the owner of that car as well. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this little vid. Definitely make sure you subscribe if you haven't to watch me build my coupe. Alrighty guys, till the next one, happy Subaruing!